Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2013 BMW R1200GS. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look all around the bike for you. Right, let's go and get a close look at this BMW. It's had a full HPI check and a full government mileage check, everything clear. We'll start at the front and we will work right the way around the bike. Does have an action camera mount on the front there. It's got the big manual adjustable screen and hand guards. Does of course have ABS on this. Through the Brembo brakes. So we'll get a good look round the left hand side of this bike first. Close look round the engine there. This does come with the full set of BMW luggage, top box and 2 panniers. We'll get a look up at the back. And then we'll move over to the right hand side. Good look at the back wheel. And the exhaust. It does have the electronic dynamic ESA suspension system on this. So you've got multiple riding modes. Can be adjusted for carrying extra luggage and carrying passengers. So what we'll do, we'll go up and have a look at the dash and the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Right, let's get a close look up at the controls. So you've got your accelerator, front brake, heated grips, mode button and your kill switch on that side. And over on the other side you've also got your clutch. And this comes with cruise control. You've got the jog wheel for the menus, trip and info on there, ABS and also the ESA, which is the adjustable suspension, horn and your indicators. This is your manual adjuster for the screen, so you can have that up or down or at any position you need. What we'll do, we'll turn this on. Let's get the mileage. As you can see, it's done 20,537 miles. As you can see, when you change the button on this, it will change soft, hard. We've got the helmet there to say that's just one person, no luggage on there, and you can change that through on there. And you've got your riding modes, which are done over on this side, on this button. So once you press that, that'll change your ride modes: Enduro, Enduro Pro, Rain, Road, Dynamic, back to Enduro. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photographs or videos, anything close up you need to see in particular, we can do that. Send them over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.